Morning folks, welcome back to the channel. Nick here. Today is the 6th of July 2020 and I'm up here at Waverley in Dunedin, New Zealand, doing the Waverley Belleknowes run for most of the day and then switched on to Ocean Grove, Ross Creek a bit later. So this is my first run up to Waverley this morning. It's currently just 10 past 7. 07:10 in the morning, and I'm in fleet number 5004, Kiwi bus built Volvo B7R. So I will get back to you guys during the day just with some bits and pieces. I'm going to be changing buses a bit today and, as I said, doing 2 different routes. But a big day today. I'm on pretty much dawn till dusk. So I started at 6 this morning on to about just after 7:30 PM, 19:30 tonight. So a big day. So we'll touch base with you as the day progresses. But welcome back. Thanks for subscribing. Really appreciate it for those who have. For those who haven't, to ensure you don't miss any future content. If you're enjoying the videos, please do remember to subscribe at the end of the video. Click a like if you're enjoying it, and catch you guys soon. Cheers. How are we going, folks? I'm back up at Waverley. I've done a couple of, about 3 or 4 loops since I last spoke to you first thing this morning. I'm just trying out a new attachment, the GoPro jaws on the framework behind the driver's seat here. So just while we're empty, I'll do a bit of filming and we'll head off around the streets around Waverley as we head back into town. But thanks for joining me and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers. Back in fleet 5004, 2017 Volvo B7R Kiwi bus built model. So speed things up a bit for a while and I'll talk to you soon. How you going, folks? Hope you enjoyed the trip over to Belleknowes. We've come over from Waverley, so a bit of a grey old misty day out there today, so not quite as sunny as it usually is at this time of year in Dunedin, but a bit of rain doesn't hurt. But I hope you enjoyed the trip over. That was the GoPro jaw clamp that I'm using today to mount the camera with the GoPro gooseneck. So just trying a different system instead of just using the suction cap. Really handy when you've got different materials that the suction cap won't attach to. Then this clamp is very, very versatile. So I'll show you a picture of it in just a moment. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you're enjoying the content, and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Cheers. Oh, me again, guys. Actually, just like instead of a picture, here's the actual clamp itself. So very, very powerful, the jaw clamp, and that'll clamp onto anything. So for example, on the Kiwi bus built Volvos, I don't have a metal back here to attach the suction cap, so this is where the GoPro jaw clamp comes in very handy. So it just clamps onto anything, and in conjunction with the gooseneck, it actually came as a set, the gooseneck and the clamp, although I can attach the gooseneck to the suction cap as well. But just gives us a few more options, so really, really happy with it. The GoPro jaw clamp. Anyway, guys, that's it from me. Thanks very much for watching, really appreciate it, and I really am going this time. Catch you next time. Cheers.